Well, everyone, you might be trying to figure out how you can go through and make your Google Pixel phone faster. Now, there's a couple of different things you can do. Number one, the easiest thing you can do for the most part is to just enable that smooth display option that is inside of your Google Pixel. So this basically enables your phone from being a 60 Hz display all the way up to a 120 Hz display. So the way to go ahead and do this, it's very basic. You want to go inside of your settings, you want to go inside of your display option within settings, and then you want to toggle on that smooth display option. So toggle on smooth display, and that is basically the first thing you can kind of do there. Now, if you don't end up doing that, another thing you might want to try doing too is to try to just make sure you have at least 10% of your storage or less inside of your particular device. So sometimes you might be getting your storage kind of a little bit close to the limits. And in those cases, you might have to actually go through and just kind of see if you can essentially kind of remove some of those particular, things from storage. So try having at least less than 5 gigabytes of storage saved up. That right there can be a very big thing you might want to consider as well, because that can also help clean out a lot of things when it comes down to it too. Now, if that's not working, sometimes software updating your phone can make it or break it for you. So you might have to go through and you might just need to clean out a little bit of your, current generation software. So what I'd recommend doing here is to try going through and try delete and try a software updating your phone. That can also be another very massive thing I'd recommend doing here too, because sometimes that can also end up kind of adjusting and fixing those types of problems that you might run into there. Now, on top of that, you might also want to go through and try updating some of your applications. Some of your apps might be a little bit stuck in an older situation, maybe an older styling, and that can also be another problem that you might run into there as well. So those are some different ways you can kind of go through and kind of fix and adjust those problems when it kind of comes down to it. So in terms of that basically covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.